alaikum, my little brothers and sisters. Welcome to our channel with Ryan and Ridwan. I'm Ridwan with you today.
And I'm Adib. I hope you are doing all well in the lockdown. Ridwan and we have learned a delicious recipe and we are gonna share it with you. We won't talk too much and let's start our recipe.
First ingredients we need carrot,
shredded cheese,
egg,
mayonnaise, and white crustless bread.
And last but not least, salad seasoning.
First, remove the shell and cut it in small pieces. Cut it down. We need to cut the shell.
First, remove the shell.
One already removed the shell. Now it's time to cut.
Nah.
Oh.
Like this.
Oh, yeah.
No, put it.
Itu piece.
Ay, ketchup na.
Now we're gonna put the egg in the mayonnaise.
You forgot this. Mashup combine the mayonnaise. Now it's time to combine all the ingredients. Adib, help me.
Okay.
Let's put some salad seasoning.
Ridwan, please help me do this.
Don't forget any ingredients. Knife.
Now our mixture is done. So now we're gonna put the bread.
First, we need to cut this. Let's take these two pieces. Oh.
Now we're gonna spread the ingredients. Please help me with one. time to cover it up. It's time to cut.
Now I'm gonna cut a triangle shape here to here. Now I'll cut one more rectangle. Our sandwich is done. Now it's time to serve. That Adib is my guest. I'll serve him. Adib, which one do you like to eat?
I want this.
Okay. Is it on this or this? This?
No.
This? Here you go.
Thanks.
Now it's my turn. I would like this. Now it's time to eat. Now it's time to check our sandwich. I bet it's really delicious. It's very good. It's very delicious.
Very delicious.
এটা এত মজা এটা আমি জীবনও খাই নাই তাই না ডিম
হ্যাঁ অনেক ঠিক অনেক মজা
আর একটু খাই অনেক মজা
অনেক মজা বন্ধুরা তোমরা এটা ভুলে যেও না এটা বানাতে তোমরা এই রেসিপিটা
Yes, don't forget to try it at home.
If you liked our recipe, please comment down below.
Thank you for being with us. See you next time with an amazing content. Inshallah, Allah Hafiz.